Owen ar tafliad. Cyfle fan hyn i Harling. Harling yn ergydio chydig heibio'r postyn. Harling yn colli ddyn yn gelfydd y tafliad ar draws y cwrt Cosby, ond yn creu y lle i Harling am yr ergyd. Ond ar ei drod dde, dim trafferth i Gaida yn y gol. 4 munud wedi chwarae yn yr ail hanner. Wood a Kane Owen yn cyfuno unwaith eto. Y capten ar y bel yn chwilio am gyfle i groesi efallai. Mae'n dewis y bas at Wait allan ar yr asgell. Croesi'n beryglus, peniad lawr oddi ar y postyn gan Billy Borge. James Wait ar yr asgell am y tro cynta hyn o'ma. Yn croesi'n berffedd i lwybr Billy Borge a'i beniad erbyn y postyn. Davies, heibio un. Chwilio am gyfle i groesi at Snaith. Ymyl y cwrt Cosby, Wood! Ergyd wych gan Nathan Wood i roi Pen-y-bont yn heiddiannol ar y blaen. 8 munud wedi chwarae yn yr ail hanner. Pen-y-bont 1, Hwlffordd dim. Pen-y-bont sy'n llifo ymlaen, a mae gan Sam Snaith. Snaith yn bwydo Wait. Cyflymdra a thempo yn chwarae tîm Rhys Griffiths. Mae'n cael ei chodi. Nôl mae'n dod! Mae Sam Snaith yn methu cyfle eiraidd i ddyblu mantais y tîm cartre. Y croesiad i'r postyn pella a'r peniad i lwybr Sam Snaith. Ond y blaenwr yn methu'r cyfle. Lot o symud yn y cwrt Cosby. A'r peniad yn ôl ac mae yn gol a maen nhw wedi dyblu mantais. Billy Borge sy'n codi ar y postyn pella i rwydo'r ail i Pen-y-bont. At y postyn pella, y peniad nôl ar draws, a Billy Borge sy'n rwydo. Scotcher ar arwydd, mae llain y 5 munud i'w chwarae yma. I dîm ar ei holi o 2 ddim. Cissay yn codi ar arbediad yn hyfryd gan Ashley Morris. Ond mae pawb yn gwybod pa mor gryf mae Toure Cissay yn yr awyr, a fe gododd e fan na'n uwch na neb. A mae'n 3 yn erbyn 2, 4 yn erbyn 2. Nathan Wood cyfle i ennill y pwyntiau nawr. Harling at Wait. Digon o amser gan Wait. A mae'n taro'r bar. Ac yna'r gic dros ysgwydd. Ond James Wait, oedd amser gydag e, drychodd ei fyny. A'i ergyd nerthol yn taro'r bar, mor anlwcus. Scotcher. At Danny Williams. Watts mangen hon i fod yn gywrain at Cissay. Cissay'n penio lawr! A ma' 'na gol gysur i Hwlffordd yn yr amser sydd wedi cael ei ganiatáu am anafiadau ar ddiwedd y gêm. Ricky Watts yn croesi a Toure Cissay yn penio drydydd gol y tymor iddo fe.
We did change second half. We felt that although first half was ebbing and flowing a little bit, we had opportunities. I thought they were keeping the ball a bit too much for us, and we needed to go man for man in midfield, which is what we did. Well, actually, it wasn't me that thought it, so I wanted to go in a different direction. So, yeah, that's what it's all about. And you talk it through, make the decision, and they were spot on. And the players, we discussed what I personally was unhappy with in terms of our approach, not just first half today, but in general lately, and what we're all about. And second half, I thought you saw the real Pen-y-bont.
Wayne, your team held their own in the first half, but you became overrun in the second half. Would you agree?
Yeah, totally. No qualms. Like you said, I think the scoreline 2-1 flattered us a bit, in all honesty. First half, nothing much between the two teams. I don't think either team asked many questions of either keeper. But second half, like you said, I think they dominated in both boxes really, which is disappointing from us considering the work we've done and how we've played the last few weeks. So disappointed with that.
And turning to Saturday and the Welsh Cup, another titanic struggle here with Caernarfon.
Yeah, they're kind of friends, I suppose. The two clubs. They looked after us when we first came up, but on the pitch, we're not friends, and obviously, and we're. We need to win the game. It's a big competition for everyone left in it. It's a great competition to win, and it's all guns blazing for Saturday now.
The games come thick and fast, and another huge game at the Bridge Meadow on Saturday, home to Bala in the Welsh Cup. How are we going to prepare for that?
Yeah, we'll prepare as we always do. Obviously, we're on the back of a lash from Bala when we got hammered 6-2 up there. We're mindful of their strengths and that, so we've been fairly decent at home this season, so we'd like to maintain that as a fortress, and we prepare Thursday night now ready for it and just go again. It's nice to have a little breather now from the league. We've always said the Welsh Cup's a bonus to us anyway this year from where we're at, so I think all the pressure will be on Bala.